TCS Wings1 May 2025 important info and your comments and my answers. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing different comments given by associates. So I will try to answer the most of the questions. So let's get started. Before starting the video, hit a like, subscribe and share. Watch the video till the end. You will get more info on Wings1 May 2025 assessment cycle. So first one, Ayappa Kumar asked, I have completed step 1 bro. When I will receive articulation exam dates? I am selecting the S checkbox for the do you wish to appear for articulation track at the time of registration. So Ayappa Kumar bro, you will get articulation exam dates in coming soon. So you have selected this and I hope you have selected the core full stack also, and also you have chosen step 2 either business process or unit directives, and do the domain learning if you haven't done. So second one, hello bhai, I got 3.6 IPF rating. First time I raised appraisal. Okay, will I be able for Wings exam? So actually we need to get 4 rating or B band. So you have got 3.6. So let's hope for the B band in the April or May month. If you get B band, then you are eligible for the Wings1 exam. Next one, asked by Kishan Pupala. Hi bro, I have passed T4 Spring Boot in track 2, and if I get distinction in May 2025 cycle in T4 Spring Boot, will I get digital? So Kishan, actually for you to get digital you need to follow this criteria. In the prerequisite you need to complete domain articulation, and in step 1 you must need to complete core full stack distinction, and in step 2 either you can go with business process or unit directives. So if you done these steps you will get digital cadre. I hope you have understood this one. So third one, is it mandatory to take BG recommended track or can choose any other track which is interested? So Lavant Reddy is asking, no Lavant Reddy, we have to take the unit recommended track only. If we take our chosen track, then it is not there in the list, then they are not allowing us to give distinction in that cadre, distinction or pass. They will not consider, to be frank. So next one, Praveen asked, freshers who are not allocated to projects are eligible for Wings or not? So next question asked by Satya Silans. Associates who are in projects but not role targeted are eligible for Wings1 May cycle. For CBG group is age at 900 is enough for freshers. For this you need to check with your unit TD or supervisor. And another question, what is the difference between IT and ITIS Wings? Is there any difference in package? I come under ITIS. So basically IT is the application development team and ITIS like a supporting team. So is there no difference in package? Package will be same for almost same in IT and ITIS roles. So you come under ITIS, so you need to select 15206 course and complete the tracks. What is the process for prime anyone? So for the Wings1 prime candidates are not eligible in the upcoming cycle May 2024. So Abid Khan asking, please ek full roadmap banao in detail mein bro Wings1 please. So I have given the reply. You need to check with this playlist. You will get all the idea about the Wings1, and I will do one more video regarding full roadmap. Abid Khan. So another question asked by Asha or Ash, if an employee has already got C2 promotion in August 2024 and have also given November 2024 exam, will he still be eligible to give May 25 exam? So as per Wings1 SOP standard operating procedure, after getting promotion only one chance is there. So in this scenario November 2024 exam is utilized by the person. So in May 2025 exam he is not eligible, but fill the Wings1 form if there is any chance. But as per standard operating SOP there is no chance, but fill the registration form. Bro, still I have confusion where to start. Okay, you can connect with me on TopMed. I will give you in the description, or you can check my playlist. So that thing also I will give you in the description. Another question, Viper asked by Viper. T4 track is easy. I don't know Java, so I am choosing Python plus Django. Is it easy to clear? Yes. It is also easy to clear, and all the best for your upcoming cycle. Another important question, someone is saying it's mandatory to complete 74730 in order to complete articulation course. It's for who taking new or it's same for all. Can you please make a video on this clearly articulation? Okay, I will in coming days I will make a video on this topic. All proctored assessment exam on same day. Abhi Patel, not all the, but they are planning to conduct 2 exams per day. Hi bro, thank you for valuable info. A request from my side, what is the best core tech track to choose? Suggest some technologies. So in my opinion, you can go with T4 or T13, whichever you feel easy, you can go that. And if you need personalized guidance, check the TopMed page. So another important question asked by Naveen. I cleared unit L2 in track 2 and not cleared track 1. Okay. Now for this May cycle for track 2, which one should I choose, or shall I choose none of the above? So Naveen, you have cleared a unit R2, step 2, cleared a unit R2 in step 2, got distinction, and you need to clear the core full stack and articulation domain also in order to get the digital cadre. So another question asked by Vishnu and Ruth. I joined TCS on February 13. Can I write May month wing exam, and my training is 50 days from Monday in Iowa. That milestone roadmap did not show for me also. So you have recently joined, you need to check with your unit TD or your supervisor. So for dashboard, you need to, like the Praveen is answered for this question, the dashboard will appear even you are in training. You just need to register course ID 15205. So like that. Yeah, thanks Naveen for helping the folks. If you have any other doubts, you can connect with me on TopMed. So my overall IPF is 3.94. Will I be eligible for Wings1 certification? Yes, most probably Cutoff for the 4, and they will provide you B band Ayush. So definitely you are eligible for the Wings1 assessment. Please help me to clear T13. I need some resources. So if you need resources or guidance, you can join our channel. So in YouTube, so in our channel, click on the channel, click here join, and Wings1 PDFs and materials, click on here. By paying this amount, you can join. I will provide you important materials and premium content also for your desired track. So everyone, another thing is you can also support our channel just by paying 89 per month for providing you the great content related to Wings1 or IT related things. Another super important question asked by Abhishek. We will get C2 promotion. Incentive will be merged into our CTC, right? Yes, right. After that also we have to maintain the bands ARB. No Abhishek, after C2 promotion our incentive will be safe and no need to worry about the ARB. If you get C band, then also no problem for you. Bro, which band can I get for 4.05 IPF? You will get A or B band. All the best for your Wings1 exam. So in Ultimatics I came under BFSI CBO, but I am on BFSI US West parent project, which unit am I now? So you need to check with your manager or supervisor. So another good question asked by PS Tarun. Hi bro, only step 2 left for me and I kept unit 2 got CV approved. I only need to register step 2 and keep remaining none of the above, right? Thanks. So your unit 2 is got already up to approved in step 2. Like this in the registration form, actually there is no option to fill the unit altitudes. We need to do the unit altitudes by our own without no need to fill any form. We just need to check Wings1 and certification list. So I have already made that video. I will provide you in the I button or in the description. You have already completed, right? So the star mark will come. I hope you have already cleared core full stack and domain articulation. If not, then do this in registration. Markun gamer cameras have selected for unit altitudes. We need to select none. Yes, none. There is no option for unit altitudes. So this thing is already answered. So Pravesh is asked, his ILP will be end on 18th. So you need to check with your unit TD or Wings1 TD for better clarity answer. So friends, this is all about Elevate Wings1, your comments and my answers. I hope you have almost cleared all your doubts. If you still have doubts, do comment and subscribe. Also join the YouTube channel for getting amazing perks or supporting our channel. We shall meet in another super latest video. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.